Hey everyone, and welcome to my first ever series called Launch Your First Marketing Campaign, where I'm going to walk through everything about how to set up everything properly to get the most results possible. This is a completely free series. It's going to be on YouTube and also on my site, letslearntomarket.com, so you can check it out there. Let's talk a little bit about why you should be listening to me. I've been in digital marketing for over 7 years now. I've had the luxury of working with some of the biggest brands working under a marketing agency. I've handled budgets from $200 a day to $25,000 a day, and that was Facebook, Google Ads, some TikTok, LinkedIn as well, and some Twitter. I had the luxury of also using a lot of different platforms in my time, of course, because it depends on the different brand and different business model. So why am I doing this in the first place? And of course, why is it free? Marketing agents should be free to know. And you shouldn't have to listen to people who have only done it once and gotten success, and then they start a course right away and try to teach it to you. But as you probably have known, that sometimes you get lucky with marketing campaigns, but then all of a sudden, when it starts to falter, you don't really know where to look. This is also my passion project for making a business that's heavily reliant on LTV to run and to beat out competition away. Of course, I don't want to spend any money. I don't want you to spend any money on this to learn, because a lot of the things you're going to be buying is different softwares, different platforms for your websites. And that's why I make sure that your money's going towards that instead of having to learn everything. So let's go into how this course is going to run. First, we're going to run over audience research. We're going to build an offer. We're going to create the marketing strategy around it. We're gonna go over copywriting and creatives around the ads. We're gonna build the website. We're gonna go over media buying and exactly how to create your campaign. We're probably gonna work with different Facebook ads and Google ads during that time. And they're also gonna set up our backend tracking to make sure everything's tracked properly for the ad platform and also for you to know what's working for you. So here's our timeline. So we have the laying our foundation stage. We're going to create the whole entire campaign. We're going to implement it, which means we're going to tie it all together. We're going to know where to put the right places into the algorithms to make sure it works properly. And then we're going to launch it. So some tips as you go through this, space out the videos. I'm trying my best to make sure that I'm not overcomplicating things. I'm gonna try to just make sure it's very easy to go through. This is also a marathon, not a sprint. Despite what you may be hearing from other people, don't rush this. Don't try to get things out as fast as possible, because you're gonna get little to no results at the very beginning, and the data is not gonna mean anything to you. But also make sure to rewatch the videos, go over it a couple of times. There's some nuggets inside of every single part here, that you just want to take over as you start to launch your campaign. There's some little things. Once you find out it's one little nugget, it'll change your whole entire campaign from there. And I'm also here to help you. There's my email. If you go ahead and email me, just any questions you have, I'm here to help you. And if there's something that's just not making sense as you go through the trainings, let me know and I'll make sure to make it better, make sure it's easy to understand, and that you're able to grab every single thing that you need to from it. But I think that's about it. We're going to start off in lesson one. So hopefully it shows up right here. And I will see you over there. Thanks.